Doesn't that look awesome? And it smells great too, and I'm sure it's going to taste even better. Today I'm going to show you how to make great meals like this and get the most out of your Ozpig. At home I like to cook outside as much as possible, and with my Ozpig set up on the deck permanently, there's really no excuses. The Ozpig goes hand in hand with outdoor living. I don't know whether it's just me, but cooking outdoors never seems a chore. Before we get started, there are a few great Ozpig accessories I recommend and use almost daily. The heat diffuser is a great tool that allows you to control the heat on your Ozpig to match your cooking method. By placing the diffuser under your pot, pan, crock pot or even barbecue plate, you immediately lower the temperature of your cooking heat. So it's perfect if you want to keep a pot on the simmer or you want to cook something a little more moderate like fish. Plus you don't have to wait until the fire burns down to start cooking. You can still maintain a large fire to keep you warm. The chargrill and drip tray are another must-have, and there's no better way to get that genuine wood-fired flavour than cook directly over wood or charcoal. Using the Ozpig chargrill will bring those wonderful aromas and flavours to any dish. When you use your Ozpig as much as me, it's important to mix it up a little bit. So I guarantee you when you get your Ozpig, you're going to be looking for reasons to use it every day. And why not? The versatility of the Ozpig will have you cooking on it all year round, creating flavours to suit the season. From Asian-inspired wok-cooked dishes in summer, to delicious wood-fired rotisserie meats in autumn, and hearty soups in winter. And for slow-cooked dishes full of flavour, you can use the Ozpig warming tray to gently simmer casseroles for hours. Start your dish off on top of the Ozpig, cook your onions and brown your meat, then add your vegetables and stock, allowing time to simmer for roughly half the cooking time. Then move your crock pot to the warming tray while still in contact with the side of the Ozpig, and a slow, constant heat will gently simmer your dish while you relax and enjoy the fire. If you're having a side dish like mashed potatoes, pasta or rice, you now have the top of the Ozpig free to prepare the rest of your meal. Another easy and efficient way to use your Ozpig is with this handy bead basket that sits in the top of your pig. By loading the basket with charcoal, it gives you an alternative to cooking over wood, while still infusing your dishes with those great flavours which the Ozpig is known for. The basket is particularly useful when using the rotisserie, as it provides constant even heat over a long period of time to really lock in those flavours. Another handy way to control the heat on your Ozpig is by using the optional vented door. By opening or closing the door vents, you control the air getting to your fire, which affects its burning rate and temperature. Plus, the door is also a great safety feature, as it lets you totally enclose the Ozpig. Whether I'm cooking family fare on a weeknight or a gourmet feast for friends, my Ozpig is my best mate. So there are a few of my favourite ways to use the Ozpig. There are so many ways you can customise it to suit your cooking style. And as a chef, I always like to look after my tools. So the purpose-built Ozpig cuppa protects my mate from all weather. And it means I can leave it set up, ready to go.